Hey guys, Justin here at SSC Garage. Got a lot of new parts in for the car, so hopefully we can get this thing painted, and got the colors here. So with no further ado, we'll show you what we got, and hopefully you guys like the colors I picked out for the car, and we'll try to get this thing painted before the first of the year, see what happens. So we got new fenders. We got the rear bumper, front bumper. We actually went a couple weeks ago, I forgot to get video, but we actually stripped another car and took all the wiring, steering column, everything out of the car that we need for ours. We got a brand new steering rack, inner and outer tie rods. We got brand new slotted cross-drilled rotors, steering wheel, brake pads, you know, everything to get this car rolling after we get it painted. We actually got new 5-point harnesses for everything. Once it's painted, we'll put the harnesses in, put the seats back in it. We got a new Type R front lip for the bumper, and we're trying to keep it mainly looking stock, just fast and looking stock, and that way we kind of have a sleeper. So try to do this with one hand here, guys, and kind of show you the color here. See if you guys like the color I picked out. This is actually going to be the color, the outside color of the car. This is Toyota's Voodoo Blue on their new Pro Edition trucks. So we got that for the outside of the car. And we got this here for the inside of the car. Hard to do with one hand here. And this here, guys, is the 2021 the limited Civic Phoenix Yellow. That's the yellow that they put on the new limited Civic that they only brought 600 to the US. And everything else, we have everything else. We actually got classic black for the K member and everything, and we have white for the roll cage. All the sandpaper, tape. I'm probably going to need a lot more sandpaper, a lot more tape, but we actually have to redo the K members and all the rear end parts. They're pretty bad looking. We're not going to keep the suspension that's on here. We're throwing that away, getting all new, putting new bushings and everything in here. I'm not putting too much money into the rear end because eventually this car is going to go all-wheel drive. So we are going to do bare minimum to the rear end and put it back on. I just want to paint it, make everything look good, put it back on the car, and eventually we're going to go with the rear-wheel drive. So we're going to be pulling all that out and throwing it away, so we won't be needing it. So after that, we're going to get all this stuff in the car and on the car, get everything painted, hopefully have a rolling chassis by the first of the year so we can get the motor put in, get transmission fitted, just make sure everything, the combination that we're doing is going to work out for the car. Stay tuned, like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. You know, I'm going to bring you through the entire step, everything, the entire build, step by step. There won't be a step you guys won't see on this channel, so please like and subscribe. Thanks.